Neurodivergent workplace rights that can help you thrive. Flexible hours. Did you know from the day you start your employment, you can request changes to your working hours? Flexible working is a statutory right in the UK, and whilst your company may have a policy on flexible working, they have to consider each application properly and on an individual basis. You could adjust your hours or your location, you could compress your hours, and even ask for working from home. Reasonable adjustments. From noise cancelling headphones to adaptive software. You don't need to wait for an occupational health referral for reasonable adjustments. You can just make your own request for reasonable adjustments. Of course, you can ask for an occupational health referral that will give you a professional assessment and recommendations, and it may help you think about things that you hadn't thought that you needed. And there's also access to work. You could get a grant to help pay for practical support at work, support with managing your mental health at work, or even money to pay for support for communication at job interviews. There's a really wide variety of different support that you can get through access to work. However, there can be long waiting times, so try the first few options to try and get the help and support you need. And don't forget, employers have a legal obligation to make reasonable adjustments. Don't be scared that just because your company has a policy that they won't make adaptations to you. Your differences are strengths and the law is there to support you. Because if your company fails to make reasonable adjustments, you could take them to employment tribunal. Know your rights and don't be afraid to request them.